Hey guys, how you doing? This is James Paradise. Listen, it's a Thursday. What is it? Wednesday? It's Wednesday night. We're hanging out here in Mexico on the Caribbean. We're about to go outside. It's about 9 o'clock at night, and we're just relaxing tonight. I just got done working on my computer. Here's my computer. Some food, some snacks I snack on while I'm working on the computer, making money online with my online business consultant business and my investing and writing my books. And, oh my God, it's nonstop. 24 hours a day, you can make money online. So we're going to go right now. And my partner, my little drop dead gorgeous little baby Peru from the country of Peru, my life partner, we're going to go feed some cats outside. So come on with me, follow me. She loves cats, and she just wants to feed some cats. So we're going to take a little break. I have to bring some water here. We're going to feed the cats. There's hundreds of cats roaming the streets of Mexico, and she just likes to take care of them. So that's what we're going to do right now. So give me 1 second, and I'll bring you back, and I'll show you what we're doing. Hold on. Am I? Okay. Oh, wait. How do I hit pause? All right, here. Let's just go. Okay. You can follow me as we go feed the cats. I'm holding this phone with we got the water for the cats. I'm shutting the door. Okay, so just hang in there. Here we go. We're going downstairs. So right now we're in a little apartment building, about 5 minutes from the Caribbean Sea, in Mexico. It's 12 months of summer here. It's I think it's about 78 degrees right now. It's November 27th, 2019. I'm time stamping this, so you know. And it's drop dead gorgeous out. It's a beautiful night. And we're going to go feed some cats. Let me hit the button here. There's the button for the gate. Everything here is highly protected. There's a lot of security here. Here's the gate. And then I have another gate. There's another gate right here. There's 2 doors to get into this place. Oh, we're going to feed some cats. Here we go. Here they are, right there. So here, let me show you what's going on. I'm going to give this water here. Here you go.
No more here because the people is walking.
Okay, she's feeding the cats. She loves cats. And here they are. Let me show you. Got a little baby cat here. Where's the other cat?
It's coming, so it's shy. It's there. It's in the.
It's under the car.
Yeah.
It's under the. Oh, there she is. Come on. There's the other cat. There's 2 cats here. I don't know if you can see this here. There's a little cat. She's eating, having fun. There's eating her food. Oh, what a good girl. I have such an amazing woman here. She feeds all the cats on the street. There she goes.
It's here.
Yep. And this is living a paradise lifestyle. Going out in the middle of the night. Well, not in the middle of the night. It's only 9 o'clock at night. It's early. And we're feeding cats. We're feeding cats right on the street, having some fun, right? So here's why you might want to continue listening to me and watching my videos. Are we good? Okay, I think we're good. So here, come here. We got some light. So what we do is we offer our, we take care of people. We take care of animals. We take care of people. We live what's called a paradise lifestyle. You have to figure out your paradise lifestyle, what you want to do, right? So we can help you out with that. So what I do, my job, is I help people, anybody in the world, especially business owners who own a business, generate a life of happiness, peace, and freedom. You have to find your paradise lifestyle. And you might say, James, I don't even know what that is. What does that mean? Paradise lifestyle. You keep saying that. It's a life of freedom. I don't worry about anything. If I have no money in my pocket, I'm not worried. If I have $1 million in my pocket, I'm not worried. I don't worry about anything. I just provide solutions every second, every minute, every hour of every day, of every week, of every month, of every year. And we provide solutions. Now, you might not have a solution right now, but if you speak with me, what I have in my brain, I can give you a solution in 1 minute. And then in 1 hour, you can live a paradise lifestyle. We ready? Okay, hold on. I'm speaking here. Hold on. So listen, we're going to head back upstairs real quick. But if you want to learn how to live your paradise lifestyle, that makes sense to you. Sometimes you have to talk to somebody different who can teach you and show you actually how to do this. And that's what I want to do. I want to show you how to change your life to live a paradise lifestyle. That's it. It's really simple. So if you're a person right now listening and watching to any of these videos, I want you to download my ebook. On the bottom of this video, I want you to go to the link in the description. It says download my ebook. It's an ebook called My Paradise Lifestyle. Okay? And there's no charge. It's complimentary. Check out the book, read it. It's only going to take you maybe 15 minutes. It's short, but it's to the point. And then at any time if you say, aha, I want to talk to this guy, me right here, this guy, I will help you put a plan together to live your paradise lifestyle. And it happens just like that, just like that. 1 minute, 1 hour. In 1 hour, I change people's lives. Go to the link in the description, click on it, read my book, and contact me. Do it now. Do it now. If you are not happy, if you're struggling, even if you're making a lot of money, I have people who contact me, they're like, James, I'm making $500,000 a year, but I'm miserable. Help me. What are you talking about? I want to learn how to live this paradise lifestyle. It doesn't matter. If you're struggling, you're not making money, you don't have a job, you're unemployed, but you need help, you need something, contact us. Let's see if we can get you into something immediately. In 1 day, I'll give you an example. Last week I spoke to a young guy, 27 years old. He just got fired from his job. In 3 hours, I got him making $1,000. I gave him an idea to go out and make money, and he went out and he made $1,000. He sent me a message back late that night, around 11 o'clock at night. He said, James, I just made like $900, almost $1,000 in 1 day from my idea that I gave him. Is that amazing? If you need something like that right now, I don't care if you need to go out and make $900,000, $9 million. If you don't have the solution, click on the link in the description, download my book. Go read my book. It's available right now. Go to the description below and get the book, My Paradise Lifestyle. Read it, check it out. And then click on any of the pictures or images or links in the book, and then get in contact with me and my team. Let's get on a live call and I'll show you what to do. I'll help you, I promise, okay? Click on the link in the description below. Get My Paradise Lifestyle. I'll see you soon.